Excuse me. Is this Dr. Brooks' office? My name is Mr. X. I guess I'm supposed to have some kind of eval thing with you, something dealing with me having trouble remembering stuff. I don't think I really got any problem with that. I just seem to get off track sometimes. Maybe it's the headaches I be having. Um, you know, I think I can recall anything. I don't smoke. As I said, for smoking and drinking and whatnot, and doing drugs, but I don't do none of that stuff. I ain't been doing that since the 40s. Uh, well, anyway, I don't see no reason for this knee appointment. I think it's just because the weather might have changed or something. But if you can, just give me a call back at my home number or on my cell phone. Thank you.